Happy morning, everybody. Welcome to Superb Story Session, a time where we become thought leaders by listening to wonderful life skills, life values based stories. These stories we listen and we draw wonderful life skills, life lessons. Let's get started. Today, once again, we have a very short story. Last few days, we are having very, very short stories, but powerful lessons. Now, this is a story goes to the days of Red Indians. Red Indians, they have this story, this tale, where this elderly person, he will ask a very young boy that how many wolves, they have this animal, wolves, eagle, horses and all that, is it? How many wolves does a person have? The answer to this is two. Two wolves. There are two wolves there be in every particular person. The first wolf is there is anger, hatred, fear, nervousness, jealous, all those, self-doubt, all those things is one wolf. The second wolf is confidence, kindness, love, care, all those amazing things. Now, the young man will ask, the young boy will ask, now, which wolf will actually survive? So the elderly person says, the wolf that you feed upon. The wolf that you feed upon. Yes, this is today's super short story. So tell me, what did we understand from this? Come on.
Coach, the elderly person, when he says the wolf which will survive is the one that you feed upon, which means that when there are two wolves, one is so when there are two wolves, which wolf you use to in the world? If you use the one with self doubt, anger, hatred, and all of that, that wolf will not, according to me, it won't exist that long. But if you use the second wolf, which is confidence, kindness, and all of that, it may exist longer because those are the attributes that make up a good person.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Yukta, thank you. How do you actually feed these wolves? Within everybody lives these two wolves. Me, you, everybody. Now,
But whatever words you use to react in the same way, which shows your behavior and your character.
okay, nice. Thank you so much.
Coach, you feed the wolves by doing the work. So whatever work you do is reflects on you.
Mm-hmm.
Coach, our attitude depends upon the wolves upon we feed on. But if we feed upon anger, jealousy, hatred, and all those things, we will have the same attitude towards our community. But if we choose over the second wolf, people will give us more respect. We will gain more respect. So that's why always be kind, always be confident, never show hatred.
Very nice.
What we sow, we reap.
What we sow, we reap. How do we feed this wolf? How do we sow this? Or what do we sow? How do we do? You're all giving answers of the outcome. It'll affect their character, it'll affect their life. Dhrutik will ask, Dhrutik, how do we feed these wolves? All of us have two wolves. What is the way of feeding this wolf? The wolf which we feed will be the final winner. Correct? Isn't it?
Yes.
And that will show in our character, will show in our behavior, show in our these things. How do we feed?
Coach, if a thought is pure, we get the good wolf, like the care, love, and all. But if we feed the bad, not good-minded, we'll be feeding the hatred, anger, and all.
Oh, wonderful. Very nice. Beautiful.
Coach, whatever you do in life, day-to-day basis, whatever you do, whether you're kind to everyone or you lie, you cheat, all of those things, when you lie or when you do something bad, that's feeding your bad, or that's feeding the first wolf. When you're kind, you're doing the right things.
That
It's
is an
good.
outcome here. That is an outcome. That is an outcome.
Oh.
That happens. That's all outcome. Rowan was right. It is all based on the thoughts. Thoughts lead to feeling. Feeling leads to actions. Action leads to results. Or TEAR. Thoughts leads to emotions. Emotions leads to actions and then to results. Believe, behave, become. Roots shoots fruits. Everything is a thought. So thoughts are the way you feed these two wolves. All of us have these two wolves. And how do we feed this? By thoughts. Yeah. So you have more and more of these thoughts and more those outcomes keep coming. How do we work on our thoughts? By being conscious. By being more conscious. Having a habit of being more conscious. I'll give you an example, Yukta. Your exams are going on, let's assume, and you have a thought that this particular paper is tough. Then more and more thoughts will come. That is like you're feeding that wolf, that this exam is tough. I'll get questions which I do not understand. The correction will be much more tougher. I will not get good marks and I will not be able to do well. So the thoughts are getting fed to that wolf, isn't it? Then what happens? Then how do you behave? You will not be able to concentrate fully, properly, well on this paper. And what will be the outcome? Your marks will not be great. Do you understand? Yes. One more. Let's say nervousness. You're having a match. You have a thought, oh, okay, this opponent seems to be much more stronger. This opponent will has got better ranking. How will I play? Oh, looks like I'll get beaten. Oh, I'll get beaten very badly. Oh, why did this happen? And I had prepared so well. Why did I get such an opponent? And then that is the one which you're feeding. So believe, behave, become how you play. You don't play very well. You are struggling during the game. And what does that become? You end up losing, and you end up losing miserably. So this is how we feed the wolf. What do you need to do? Be conscious. Yeah. Yes, he is a better ranked student. However, I believe in myself. Now you're feeding your other wolf with confidence. Yeah. He is a better one. Yes, I am in fact much more, but I'm going to do very well. You keep doing affirmation. I'm a champion. I'm amazing. I'm fabulous. I'm confident. I play well. And that, my friends, that wolf will win. So thoughts are the seeds. Thoughts. That's what we say. Change your thoughts, change your world. Change your words, change your world. It's all about the thoughts. If you have negative thoughts, you'll have negative belief behaviors, then you have negative becomings. If you have positive thoughts, positive outcomes, and positive life. Wonderful. Over to Yukta. Yukta ready? Yukta Vajrasan again. Okay, I can't make, I think.
No, she's in the past lab.
Okay, she's only on the stick. Yeah. Wonderful. Everybody, please sit in Vajrasan. Time for. Yes. Thank you so much, everybody. I am taking your leave, taking your permission. I came only at midnight from the airport. Thank you, guys. Take care. Love you all. Live purposefully, love powerfully. You are the best.
Let's start with our short meditation. Let's start with our alternate easy breathing. 20 counts. Now let's start with our breathing. 6 counts. Let's start. Hum. 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 Now let's start with our energizer. Low speed, low energy to high speed, high energy, high intensity. Let's start. Now let's start with our gratitude. Cross your hands. Thank you, self, for being such an amazing person. Always so kind, always so caring. Thank you, self, for always being focused on your goals, for always being focused on yourself. Thank you, self, for always making the right choices, for always being kind, for always being considerate, for always being compassionate. Thank yourself for always having positive thoughts, for having a positive mindset. Thank yourself because you have positive thoughts, which makes you behave positively, which makes your life positive. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to plus who support your mom and your dad for always being there for you. They've given you everything you need, whether it's food to eat, a shelter to live in, or clothes to wear. They've given you love and care throughout your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank Mother Nature for giving you resources like food, water, and oxygen. Without these resources, we wouldn't be alive today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving a soul the purpose, a soul of the why, a soul the mission and vision. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving everything in abundance, whether it's life, health, wealth, education, money, everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank your gurus, your teachers, your coaches. Thank them for always being tough on you, for always helping you move forward. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now visualize a bright white light coming right towards you. This bright white light goes through your head, goes down your face, your neck, your chest, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips. Goes down your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your toes. Head to toe, toe to head, fully bless the bright white light. Now in the state of mind, visualize our goals, our purpose, our mission and vision. Visualize your long-term goals, your short-term goals, your goals today, goals tomorrow. Start. Now let go of your hands on your heart. Repeat after me. I'm amazing. I'm powerful. I'm kind. I'm considerate. I make the right choices. I have a positive mindset. I have positive thoughts. I love myself. I'm amazing. I'm powerful. I'm lovable. I'm capable. I'm valuable. I am a superb human. Raindrop claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoosh. First one. Second one. Last one. Open eyes, seeds, worlds, right? Coach.
Bye, guys. You were so awesome. See you tomorrow morning. Bye, Rohan, Pratik, Manikam.
Thank you,
Dara.
coach.
Bye,
Siddhi, bye dear.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.